Family Health Module. The Family Health Module, which will enable the doctor to record health history details of the patient's family members. Log into your account, select the preferred patient from your patients list and click on the New Health Record and navigate to the Family Health Module. If the module is unavailable, click on the Show More button and select Show Family Health. Click on the Add icon here to enter family health history of the patient. In the Relationship field, you can choose the relationship type from the drop-down list. In the Description field, the user can see a drop-down of the codes and details that have been previously entered into this module by them. The user can either select from drop-down list or they can enter and search details manually. The Family Health module is supported with the ICD-10 and SNOMED codes, which are universally recognized medical codes databases. User can type in a few characters here and search for the codes from the database, or the user can also enter the description manually too. You can click on Save to save details or click on Save and Add to save and add more family health details. You can click on the More option to include more fields to the form, here where you can add any relevant notes in this field. Click on the Save and Add button to save the details and open a new form to add more information. You can navigate to a new health record, and this data will be visible in the new EHR in all future health records for this patient. To delete details, click on the already saved information and click on the trash icon. To edit details, click on the already saved information, make the required changes and click on Save.